Siemens three-finger test. We have to examine the patient in standing position, and we have to place our right hand near the right hip in front of the hip joint. The index finger should close the deep inguinal ring. The middle finger should close the superficial inguinal ring, and the ring finger should touch the femoral canal. Ask the patient to cough or perform Valsalva maneuver or to do some straining. At that time, we can feel the cough impulse. If it is felt at the level of the index finger, it is indirect inguinal hernia. If it is felt at the level of middle finger, it is direct inguinal hernia. If it is felt at the level of ring finger, it is femoral hernia. You can see the dot placed between the middle finger and the ring finger, that is a pubic tubercle. So that is a landmark which helps you to distinguish the three types of hernia.